Hello, let's take a look at AIC3.ai. Okay, right now the stock is in bearish mode after it gapped up all the way down. First it dropped below the 200 MA, 50 MA and 20 MA, and right now it's kind of in a bearish mode because the 20 MA is declining. Whenever the 20 MA is declining, for example here, things are not very good for the stock. It's just a simple trend following tool. Here the 20 MA also declining and things are bearish at this moment. Now the stock has dropped below this support area, so it's kind of bearish, and there's a possibility if it continues to go down it might meet 16.91, which is the old support area here. Now the stock has been moving sideways up and down, but now and then it breaks above area to make it tradable. Like here it corrected from a base and then broke out of this consolidation and went up quite a bit. A bit difficult to trade, but here it offered a double bottom trade, and you can actually draw a downtrend line connecting and just buy the stock for a few days or weeks. But then because of the 200 MA and resistance here, it declined only to go back up. And now it's in a correction, really bear mode at this moment. Let's look at the weekly chart to see what we can learn. Weekly chart, the stock, you can see it's broken below this support area and it's declining, and there's possibility it might decline to this area. Stock move up very nicely here, only to be met by resistance. This is a former darling here where when it was listed it went very high, but there's a lot of resistance over here. That's why it's difficult for the stock to move up. A lot of resistance here, some resistance here, and of course ultimately the resistance is a big resistance over here from a high. So at this moment you can see how the resistance kick in. Every time it goes back near this, it goes to this area, it cannot move back out. So even if it moves up, there's still resistance over here that it needs to take care of. And at this moment you can see that it's still in a bearish mode, and it might take quite a long time for it to go back up. Okay, unless it drops, it goes back above this downtrend line, it's difficult for the stock at this moment. So it's in a daily downtrend, so you have to be careful before buying it. Trading it, there are opportunities like here and here, but investing it's not in a very nice weekly uptrend yet. So you might want to see it trade above this downtrend line before you can start a really nice new uptrend to meet the resistance here and here. So this stock you might want to trade it rather than invest at this moment. Now if you take trading this stock, there are quite a lot of opportunities. For example, here after a bearish cross, it continued to move down, and of course when it got below the 200 MA, you never want to long a stock short term when it's below the 200 MA. You can look for shorts, especially breakdowns. Like here's a consolidation, breakdown, and a breakdown with a consolidation. These are shortable events, and if it drops below here, then it's shortable because it's in a bearish trend where it's below the 200 MA, 50 MA, and also the 20 MA. It's all declining, and these are bearish conditions for bearish setups. Well, this is the double bottom in the past. You can see how it break above downtrend line, have a double bottom, and you could have this is a smaller bottom, double bottom, not the bigger one. The bigger one is here where it broke below downtrend line. You can buy and ride it higher. Here is also a double bottom in the 16-200 chart, 200 MA support, and where you can buy it and ride it higher here. So at this moment, continue to be cautious of this stock as it's in a short-term downtrend. I hope that this analysis helps you, and I'll see you in the next one.